Clermont's natural beauty is one of its greatest assets. With rolling hills, sparkling lakes, and year-round sunshine, many homeowners here value sustainability and want their home upgrades to align with environmentally friendly practices. One of the most impactful changes you can make is choosing eco-friendly window replacement. Beyond improving comfort and lowering utility bills, these windows also support a healthier planet. Here's how upgrading to eco-conscious windows benefits both your Clermont home and the environment. Reducing energy consumption. Traditional single-pane or outdated windows often allow heat to pass through easily, forcing your HVAC system to work harder. Eco-friendly windows use advanced technologies to minimize energy loss. Double or triple pane glass creates insulation that keeps cool air inside during Clermont's hot summers. Low E coatings reflect heat while still allowing natural light to pass through. Gas fills between panes, such as argon or krypton, reduce heat transfer. By lowering the demand on your air conditioning and heating systems, eco-friendly windows significantly reduce household energy use. Less energy consumption translates to fewer greenhouse gas emissions, making your home more sustainable. Lowering your carbon footprint. When your home requires less energy for heating and cooling, it directly lowers your carbon footprint. For Clermont residents, where air conditioning is a near constant necessity in the summer, this reduction is especially meaningful. By replacing outdated windows with high-efficiency models, you're actively reducing your reliance on fossil fuels. That small change at home contributes to a larger impact in fighting climate change, a win-win for your comfort and the planet. Improving indoor comfort without overuse of resources. Eco-friendly windows do more than cut energy bills, they also make your home more comfortable. Balanced indoor temperatures eliminate hot or cold spots caused by drafts. UV protection reduces glare while preventing furniture, flooring, and fabrics from fading. Better seals block out Clermont's humid air, reducing the need for dehumidifiers or extra cooling. This improved comfort means you rely less on artificial heating, cooling, and lighting, all of which reduces resource consumption and waste. Durable materials that last longer. Sustainability isn't just about performance, it's also about longevity. Eco-friendly window replacements are built with durable materials designed to withstand Clermont's climate. Vinyl and fiberglass frames resist rot, warping, and corrosion. Wood-clad options combine natural beauty with protective finishes to last longer. Recyclable components allow parts of your windows to be reused or repurposed at the end of their life cycle. Longer-lasting windows mean fewer replacements over time, which reduces waste and conserves the energy and materials required for manufacturing. Healthier indoor air quality. Many eco-friendly windows are manufactured with sustainable practices that limit the use of harmful chemicals and finishes. Additionally, their tighter seals prevent outdoor pollutants, allergens, and moisture from entering your home. For Clermont families, this means cleaner air indoors and fewer risks of mold or mildew growth caused by excess humidity. Better air quality contributes not only to environmental well-being but also to your family's health. Boosting property value through sustainability. More buyers are looking for homes with eco-friendly features. Installing energy-efficient, sustainable windows makes your property more appealing and competitive in Clermont's housing market. Green upgrades often increase resale value. Lower utility bills are attractive to potential buyers. Stylish, modern designs enhance curb appeal while supporting eco-conscious living. By choosing eco-friendly windows, you're making an investment that benefits both the environment and your long-term financial goals. Final thoughts. For Clermont homeowners, eco-friendly window replacement is more than just a home improvement, it's a way to live more sustainably while enhancing comfort and saving money. From lowering energy use and reducing carbon emissions to improving air quality and durability, the benefits extend far beyond your home's walls. By working with professionals who specialize in eco-friendly windows, you'll ensure proper installation and maximum performance. With this smart investment, you're not only creating a more efficient home but also contributing to a healthier planet for future generations.